First exercise, deadlift. Maintain a neutral spine, engage your core, and push through your heels while keeping the bar close to your body. Start with light weights to perfect form and avoid rounding your back to prevent injury. Second exercise, chin-ups. Grip the bar shoulder width, engage your core, and pull your chest toward the bar while keeping elbows close. Lower yourself smoothly to avoid swinging, and use controlled movements to maximize muscle engagement. Third exercise, one-arm dumbbell row. Keep your back straight and core engaged, pulling the dumbbell toward your hip while keeping your elbow close to your body. Lower the weight slowly to maintain control and avoid twisting your torso. Fourth exercise, seated cable row. Sit with a straight back, engage your core, and pull the cable handle toward your lower chest, keeping elbows close to your body. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position to maintain control and maximize muscle engagement. Fifth exercise, lat pulldown. Sit with a straight back, engage your core, and pull the bar toward your upper chest, keeping elbows pointing down. Slowly release the bar back up with control to avoid jerking and maximize lat engagement. Sixth exercise, barbell biceps curl. Stand with a straight back, engage your core, and curl the barbell toward your chest, keeping elbows tucked at your sides. Lower the bar slowly with control to avoid swinging and maximize bicep engagement. Seventh exercise, preacher curl. Sit at the preacher bench with a straight back, grip the easy bar, and curl it toward your shoulders, keeping elbows fixed. Lower the bar slowly with control to maximize bicep engagement and avoid swinging. Eighth exercise, incline biceps curl. Sit on an incline bench, keep your back straight, and curl the dumbbells toward your shoulders, elbows fixed at your sides. Lower the weights slowly with control to maximize bicep engagement and avoid momentum. Ninth exercise, concentration curl. Sit on a bench, rest your elbow on your inner thigh, and curl the dumbbell toward your shoulder, keeping your upper arm stationary. Lower the weight slowly with control to maximize bicep engagement and avoid swinging.